Hi friends, welcome to my channel. A very warm welcome to all the new subscribers and all the returning ones. Thank you so much for stopping by and showing your support to me. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me and really helps me out. Okay, so today we are going to make this beautiful keychain. Okay, the heart applicate which we did in our previous video, we are just going to use two hearts and make this beautiful keychain. You can use it for any other reason, whichever you like, but here's the one option which I used for. Okay, so I will teach you how to get it done, how to attach the string, put the beads, and you can do this beads work optional. Okay, so now for this you will need the two hearts, okay, which we did previous tutorial. You will need two finished hearts. Okay, so one key ring here like this one bead, a nice and big size in which your needle can pass through. Okay, you can take even bigger size, whichever you like, and I have taken this beads. Okay, you can take any size, just see that your needle can pass through, and I'll teach you how you can do. Now for finishing this keychain, we are going to take the same yarn which we used for the hearts to make. If you have used different, you take that one, and one thin weight white color of yarn for the beads or weaving in. Okay, so and the hook size is same, 4.5 mm, whichever we used. You'll need a stitch marker, a yarn needle, and scissors. Okay, so with all these things ready, let's get started. Let's keep this aside here. Okay, and first we'll start going with the two hearts here. So the heart, this is the front side, this is the back side. So you're going to put both the back sides together and the front sides are facing outward. Okay, both the front sides are facing outward. Now we are going to go at the tip here. So now we are going to insert our hook and the tip of the heart. Okay, both the hearts like this tip, and we're going to take a yarn, make a slip knot. Okay, place it on the hook. Now pull through it, chain one and single crochet in the same place where you did your chain one. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to put single crochet all the way here. So one, the stitch from this side and stitch from that other side. Now I'm working on my tail also, keeping on the hook and then pulling the yarn through and then making a single crochet. So in this way we are attaching both the sides by making single crochet. Okay, just make sure that you're grabbing both the sides. In this way. Now once we are at the middle here, we have this decrease over here. Okay, so we are going to insert our hook in the first side here and a first side over that side. Okay, pull up a loop, then the other side of the decrease here and that side, pull up a loop. Okay, so we are doing a decrease over here too, and then decrease it just like that to keep it even up. Okay, that place. And then we continue putting single crochet in each of the rest remaining stitches till we reach at the bottom. Okay, so here I have put my last single crochet. Now you see it is very much stiff. If you need any stuffing to fill, you can add it just before you finish the last end, just before 2-3 stitches. A little opening will be there, and then you can stuff it if you want, but it is very much stiff and fluffy enough for me. Okay, so after you finish your last single crochet, you're going to go in the center, okay, where we started our work, put a single crochet in that, chain 2, and then we are going to slip stitch in the first single crochet. Okay, now if you like to do slip stitch, go ahead, but this is what I'm going to do. Just cut a little tail, pull the, I have just chained 2, okay, nothing else. Pull the yarn out, then I'm going to grab my needle here, okay. Now we go here at the first stitch here. This is the first stitch. So if you find difficult to find your first stitch, you can mark with a marker when you're starting your first stitch. But for me, I know it's here. This is the start. Okay, so I'm going in the first stitch on top of the stitch like this. Okay, pull the yarn out, not very tightly. Okay, now come in front. This is behind. We are come in front. Now you see this chain from the last chain. In the middle of the chain, you just go like this and pull it as you feel comfortable, and see it has got a nice finished edged. Okay, here. So now we turn our work and we just weave in our tail. Try not to pull too hard. Okay, keep it nice and steady. Make sure you're not pulling the stitch too hard, and just weave in. So we have attached our heart here, okay, very nicely and firmly. Now we are going to go and do the string part here. Now grab your yarn, make a slip knot, try to keep a little tail here, make a slip knot, and you're just going to chain 20 or 30, whichever chain number you like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. and after chaining 20 just fold it and see if you like the length. Okay, then you can just snip off. Okay, and pull the yarn out, and that's all. Okay, it's done. Now first we take our ring here. Okay, pass the chain through it. Right, now what we do is we are going to take our big bead. Okay, and take our needle, try to pass it through it, one end, and to pass the other end also. This is little bigger thick yarn for medium weight, so it's really difficult with this thin needle. I would take a bigger one, but it won't go under this beads, so I have to pull both the loops out of the bead here like this, and then just get it together this way as tight as you can. It will not move forward nor come down. Now before sewing, I just put one knot here to secure it more nicely and tightly. Okay, now take my needle, okay, I've put one end. Now I will go here, the middle stitch over here from front, go at the back. Okay, now we have, this is not put in the hat. Okay, only one I have put, so I'll just tie a knot. That's done. Right, yeah, it's nice and secure and in the center. Okay, and here we have a nice heart attached to a keychain. Now let's make the beads. So for that, take the thin yarn, thread it. Now we are going to bead up, so you can put how many you want. Okay, I have 20 here, so I'm just going to put all the beads like this first. Now once you have, you can just cut the yarn, okay, and knot it out nice and tight. Knot nice and tight, and then go through it. Knot it. Now, just for securing sake, what I like to do is pass my thread through the beads, find the center of the bead, yeah, bring it that side, okay, for more securing. Now you can just escape this part and not do it. I just like to do it because I'll have excess tail if at all it comes undone. Okay, and then snip. You can add glue just for gluing it. Okay, the transparent glue, any glue, whichever you like, for keeping it more steady. And here we have our beautiful keychain ready, right? Isn't it beautiful? So you have two. I have two beautiful keychain. I can put them for the bag. I can just gift them, anything you like. So this is just my idea of using the heart applicate and making something out of it. What is yours? Tell me in the comment section what you would like to make out of it, and please do send a hi for me. I would love to say hi back. So I'll see you in our next video with something new and something fun. So till then, take care and bye bye, friends.